Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Evergreen Arts and Craft. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make these rings, and they are really lovely and amazing pearl rings. I have used a circle bead which is 8 mm, and I have also made on the square, a heart and oval bead as well. I'll stick this on the ring base. This is how the ring base looks like, along with the hot glue, of course. You can use a regular any solid glue if you have any. You can use that as well. So for this demonstration, I'm using a size 0.9 mm crochet hook, and I'm using a butterfly cotton thread, and this is the bead I am going to use this. Now you will need some pearls or any small crystals or any small beads like these ones. This one I have made with a 3-ply yarn, and for now I'm using thread for this video. Okay, so you will have to take your needle and your thread, and now I'm going to thread in the beads. Make sure you add like lots and lots of beads into it, because once you have started your project you cannot put more beads in. So I'm going to put the beads in, and then I'm going to come back again and teach you what we are going to do next. Alright, so my beads are in, and I wanted to show you one trick that don't go one by one for your pearls. There is one trick, is grab as many as you can hold on your finger, then slide this string out, take your needle and make sure that these beads doesn't move. Let me move things aside so it can focus, and make sure your beads are not moving, and insert your needle in, and there you can see one is just pop out, but the rest are in. So again, I'm going to show you, just grab as many as you can easily grab on your finger. Slide this string out, take your needle and pull your needle through these beads, and in one time you can easily put 6 to 7 beads. So this is how many I have just put on my thread. There are many. Okay, I'm gonna put this string aside. Let me tie this string first. They will fall off otherwise, and let me clean my black background as well. Alright, so now we can finally start with the ring. So you are going to take your 0.9 mm hook, and then you're going to make a slip knot. If you don't know the basic of crochet, please learn that first. Let me adjust my camera a little bit. It's okay, perfect. Okay, so you have to make a slip knot. Insert your hook in, and you are going to do chain 1, 2 and 3. You're going to pull a loop a little bit. You're going to take your bead, and you are going to take your smaller size hook, which I am actually finding right now. Okay, I got one. Here, this is a really smaller one. You have to put this through, then just grab through the bead thread. And make sure your chain is out. Okay, make sure that your chain is not inside of the bead. It should be outside. Okay, the one chain has to be outside, the two can get inside. Now we are going to do is take this thread and pull this through here, and don't worry, it will get unbalanced like that. It will fall there, doesn't matter. Now we are going to turn the bead to the other side. This is the side where we fix this, and now we are going to turn the bead to the other side and chain 1, 2 3, 4. I'm not making loose chains. 5, 6, 7. After making 7 chains, I'm going to take a look if it will fit properly. I think I need one more chain, and 8. Okay, fine. So this is how your chain has to be, a little bit of loose, depend on what stone size you are using. Okay, because if you are going to make it too tight, we cannot fill in the beads, because we will fill in the beads here. Now on your last chain, insert your hook in and do a slip stitch. And don't worry if it's not on your position, it's okay. Again, from now here we will do chain 8. 1, no 2 loose chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now we will connect this to this part here, to the top part where we did the slip stitch. This is the loop you can see here. Insert your hook in and do a slip stitch. And this is how your work's going to look like right now. Now chain 1 and into your chain space of your left side here. Insert your hook in. Now remember the first thread here, make sure it will get into it as well, and then do a regular single crochet. Now bring 3 beads forward and again into the same chain space, insert your hook in and do a regular single crochet. Sorry, I was so up on the screen. And do a regular single crochet. Move 3 beads in into the same chain space, grab your yarn or your thread, yarn over and pull through. This is the 2. Okay, there are 2 together. 3 beads forward, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And at that side you can see that we are gathering the pearls. We will adjust this later on this stone. Don't worry if it loosen up. And you have to do this until you think that these are enough for you. So I have did 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. The last one. As you can see, I'm almost full with the space, so 8 is going to be enough, and this is how it will look like right now. And now we will do the next part here on this side. This is a chain, so bring your 3 beads in and insert your hook to the next side chain space, and make sure you grab your starting thread as well, so you don't have to sew this later on. So into this, insert your hook in, grab your 3 beads, and start doing this beading again. I'm going to show you a little bit closer look. 3 beads in, Insert your hook into this chain space, yarn over, and pull through. Bring your 3 beads forward. Insert your hook into the chain space and keep doing it. So this is my 1 and 2, because we did one on the top here when we connected these 2 chains. So it's 2 and 3. You can go for 4 and 5 pearls as well if you wanted to make it more pearly. 4. Oh. 5. 6. I'm going to cut this tail here. 6. Okay. Oh wow, I have just unraveled my 6th stitch. Okay, it's done. And this one is 7, and the last is the 8th stitch. And pull through. So this is how your beaded ring will look like. We will adjust it right now, just don't worry about it. And now just bring 1 pearl forward, just 1 pearl, not 2, not 3, just at the end when we have to fasten this off. Oh, and this pearl is 2 together, they are not separating. Okay, for this right now, I'm doing this for the video right now. You don't have to do this. No 2 pearls because they are attached together, so I'm just doing it. Just take your 1 bead here when you have to finish this off, and then to your very first, where we did this side on this chain space, fix these pearl, and remember we did just a 1 single crochet at the start. Insert your hook into that single crochet here, and we have to do a slip stitch, chain, pull up a yarn, and we are going to cut, and ta-da! Okay. And now you are going to fix this. Just push the center in, not too hard, but just a little bit, and adjust your beads right to the side. I'm not going to sew this because I'm going to stick this on this. I'm going to trim this up. I'm going to trim this, the first one, a little bit more. Okay, so this is how your ring is going to look like right now. And now you're going to adjust this on your ring base as well. So first you're going to put this thread in. If you're working with the hot glue gun, make sure not to burn yourself. And whenever I say that, I do burn myself. Okay, there are some of the pearls which have come behind, so we are going to move them forward, like this little one guy here, with the help of the crochet hook. And look, so I'm going to stick this thread here first. You can use any glue you wish to use. Okay. Make sure your bead is properly Now put it on any flat surface and adjust the speed in here. Okay, now grab your ring base, put a little bit amount of a glue on this, a dot, and then stick this to this center bead and press. And now to make it more secure, what I personally do, I put a little bit glue right to the top edge. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, not too much, just a little one right all around so it will get more secure. Okay, now we have to wait till it dries up. And I hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am working really hard for my channel, guys, please. And this is, but don't wear it to right now when you put the hot glue gun, otherwise you will burn yourself. And this is how pretty your cute little ring will looks like. You can gift it to your friends and family, to make it for your cousins, your friends, whoever you like. These are so cool and pretty. And you can make it in different style stones, like the heart one, a square, or a circle. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, lovely ladies. And thank you so much for giving your precious time to my videos. I really appreciate that. Take care. Bye.